Hi everyone, I'm Nupur, an interior designer working at BVM in Seoul. Today I'm here to showcase our completed project for Mr. Ayush and Mrs. Shivani, which is situated in Kalpataru Jade, Baner. As clients are Rajasthani, so they wanted something in a touch of Rajasthani in their home. So we have designed a home in a modern theme with a touch of Rajasthani element in it. So let's see how it turned out.
Starting with the entrance, there is a shoe rack with a sitting area. The shoe rack includes a ventilation grill to prevent odors. The wall paneling is designed with a combination of mirror and wallpaper finish. Entering through the main door in the foyer area, you will find a designer handleless console finished with laminate. The wall is adorned with a square beveled mirror panel that enhances the sense of depth in the space. The hanging light adds a touch of ambience to the area. Upon entering the living room, you will notice a TV panel designed with a combination of ready-made PVC rafter sheet and a marble effect laminate, complemented by a long sleek handleless TV unit mounted to the floor. An open display with integrated lighting is designed for showcasing artifacts, while a closed display nearby adds a balance to it. Yellow pop-up armchairs are arranged to complement the L-shaped recliner sofa. The false ceiling features a combination of PVC rafters and a gypsum ceiling with cove light for an elegant touch. Considering the client's Rajasthani heritage, this accent wall is thoughtfully designed to blend traditional elements with a modern style. It features a combination of materials including jharokas in acrylic jali, highlighted with a golden metal leaf accents and integrated lighting. The wall is finished with a POP molding and golden paint, creating a striking fusion of cultural and contemporary styles. The dining area features a corner patta fall ceiling with an integrated cove lighting and a striking hanging light as a highlighter. Adjacent to the dining table is a Mandir and a Crockery unit. The Crockery unit is illuminated with spot lighting, while a Mandir is designed in a sophisticated wooden and white color theme. The door is crafted with MDF CNC cut jali adorned with bells finished with paint. The Mandir back panel is accentuated with a Naukar mantra highlighted by LED lighting behind it, with a storage below for puja essential. Upon entering the terrace garden, you will be greeted by a beautiful view. The floor features a combination of grass and wooden decking complemented by natural potted plants. It's a perfect spot to sit and enjoy with a cup of coffee with a beautiful stunning surroundings. Coming towards the kitchen, you will notice it is designed in a grey and white theme accented with a wooden highlighter laminate. Countertop is made of white quartz and all storage cabinets are finished with grey laminate with black profile handles. The backsplash features marble effect tiles for a touch of elegance. An open display adds visual interest and highlights the design, while a black profile cabinet with tinted glass illuminated by spotlights showcases crockery. A tall pantry unit is thoughtfully designed to store grains, cereals, flours, etc. The dry balcony is equipped with provisions for dishwasher, washing machine with an overhead cabinet for additional storage. Coming inside the master bedroom, you will be welcomed by a refined purple and white color theme. The bedback panel features a blend of purple and white laminate accented with the golden highlights and a grey headboard complemented by an elegant hanging light above the side table. A sleek wall-mounted study table is paired with an overhead unit and a tall unit for additional storage. The walk-in wardrobe includes a sliding door with a full-height backlight mirror and adjacent storage space. The fall ceiling is designed with a simple yet sophisticated look, incorporating cove lighting. Entering towards the kids' bedroom, which is also known as kids' playroom, you will find a vibrant wallpaper and a pop-up colored blinds on windows. A tall unit is built inside a niche for convenient storage. The room features a single mattress to provide ample space for play without obstruction. An openable wardrobe combines laminate and a paint finish with semicircular wooden handles that complements the ceiling design. Additionally, a long study ledge is equipped with a softboard above and both open and closed storage above the study table for displaying items and organizing books. The guest bedroom features a soothing blue and white color theme. On either side of the bed, there are two wall-mounted side tables with wall lights positioned above them. The room includes an existing wardrobe. A wall-mounted TV unit with a stylish wallpaper backdrop and a ledge above highlighted by profile lighting. Adjacent to the TV unit, a small, sleek study table seamlessly continues the design.
Hello everyone, I am Shivani Jain. I am working as a healthcare domain expert in a healthcare IT firm. I have been living in this home with my husband Ayush and with my 2 naughty kiddos. This is my first home and I want to make it very special for living, and that time I came to know about BVM through some mutual connections. Initially it was tough for me to coordinate with the interior designer. There were some issues and that were hampering the progress of the project, and I informed it to Vishal sir, and then he assigned Pooja as a head designer for our home project. It was really very wonderful to work with Pooja. It was very fun loving to have conversations about each and every aspect of the interior of our home, and Pooja was really very knowledgeable and very understanding about our taste. Especially for this wall that I wanted to make it as a blend of Rajasthani culture and modern theme, and she came up with a fantastic idea, and this is the final result. Apart from that, each and every corner of this home was built with love and understanding of the modern theme plus cultural values. Thank you so much BVM for this wonderful work and still ongoing support for us. Thank you team.
BVM Insole has been an excellent partner of choice for us, right from the inception of the interiors to post delivery. The support has been immense. The whole team has been involved, and the best part is they have been all ears to our queries or any kind of reviews or fixations that are required. I really admire the way post delivery that they continue to support us and were available promptly if any issue was found, and that speaks volumes about their quality and the faith that we can count on them. So thank you BVM team, and we appreciate working with you.
Thank you so much sir and ma'am for your kind words. Thank you in believing in us, trusting us, and had been supportive in all the ups and downs throughout this journey. We are glad that you like BVM's work. We BVMites are happy to have successfully completed project with your support and coordination. Thank you so much. To all the viewers who are watching this video, if you liked our video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.